time to fix it. I can finally fix it and change the color to blue from my Beat Studio 3. So that's gonna be a combo color that I'm gonna be doing today. And this is actually the extra adhesive, just in case anything worn out, I can replace that as well. So let's leave it to the side and get to these for now. So what we're waiting for, let's get it started. So let's go with the ear pads first. And yes, they also come with adhesive installed. Nice and blue. Blue's also my favorite color as well. And you also get this tool to pry out the thingy. Up next is the thingy for this one probably. So I guess this is I really want to change it as well. So that would be really cool if I actually have a colors combo, probably. And it also comes with tools, and also a screws replacement. They also give you 2 silver ones and 4 black ones. So let's get started on this one. So first, let's do with that first. So what I'm gonna do first is I have to take the screws out. It only comes with 1 screw, so I have a screwdriver. I like that one, so it should be easy, but okay, 2 to go. Okay, I got it out, so the thing is I have to take this thing out first, and then, how do you get this out? Okay, I think the clip is like, I don't want to ruin it, but just ignore the police in the background. Okay, got this thing out. Does it come with the adhesive strips? Oh, this feels different than I don't want to ruin it. I don't want to break it. I want to compare it to this one. Yeah, this feels more naturally than this, because I don't know. Alright, without further, let's take this out anyway. It says wireless on it. Oh, look a little. Oh! I think the glue stuff. Oh my god, it's very sticky. I don't want that. Ugh. That. Oh my gosh. Just ignore that, because just ignore the police, because nobody knows us, okay? Oh, got it out now. And oh my gosh, now they're sticky now. I have to clean it up now. I have to clean this. I'll be right back then. Alrighty, I got the wet paper towel and the dry paper towel. So hopefully it can wash all the sticky stuff that I have so far. Yeah, I'm cleaning the headband, so this is what I'm doing for fixing videos. less sticky, but I think that's good for now. Let's install this. Okay, before that, I need to put this little wire it used to be. Yeah, it fits like that, but I need to put this back in. Alrighty, I think I did it for now, but the problem is I can't get this thing, the middle layer, the middle part, it's not going to click in all the way. Oh well, I was going to leave it out. Probably leave it out anyway, so just keep it safe. Now let's screw this back on. There, fixed it. Now, now for the left one. It's gotta be like all the way in, so yeah. Strip it. Good thing previously got extra screws. Oh shoot, I stripped it. Previously came with extras, so I had to like... Nope, it's stuck in there for now. Oh well, I guess that's a success. So that part's completed, so now let's do the ear pads. First I need to take out the tape. Got the tape off, so you know the reason why it fell off. This thing fell off. I'm gonna show you. See that? I think that it fell off right now. I had to put tape on it so it doesn't fall off. But now it's like if I take out the tape, it fell off. So now there's no reason to fix it now. Without further ado, let's use this tool to pry this thing out. Get this thing out. Oh man. Maybe the glue doesn't help that much. Yeah, this thing's like broken. Now for the other one. There we go. Oh, it's still clean. I also broke that one. So that's why it's broken now. Let's get back to cleaning process. Now, so I'm only left is install the new ear pads. See if they'll align it. Oh wait a minute, I think I got it. I click the middle one in. That works. That looks fine. Oh, I guess I clicked this top first. So that's good. Now I have to take the tape off the adhesive, protective adhesive, and don't worry, these are extra ones, just in case if I mess this up. Already adhesive protected, already, so that's, whatever. Okay, let's see. Yep, there we go. Now for the other one. Just like that. Now it's a black and blue combo now. That is very nice. Look. Now I have to line it very nice. If it's not, it's gonna be bad and stuff. Okay, got it now. Oh, not too bad now. So now it's blue instead of black now. Some of the things might stick out, so I have to like push it all the way in. But super glue isn't recommended because if you peel it out, it might break it. So yeah. So what I'm gonna do with the old ones. Oh, this is now busted as. Look at that. It's all busted. And it's now ruined. Now I can't even put it back on. Oh well. Yeah, that completes the restoration and fixing. Well, good thing I still have the adhesive. When this thing falls off, I can reapply it with some new adhesive. So yeah, that completes the fixing video. So let's try it out now. So let's see how it feels. Oh, not too bad. Hopefully it doesn't wear out. So yeah, that's good for now. So that is it for now today. So yeah, it fits really well. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So now, yeah, I'm done with fixing stuff. Ugh, it's now even worse now. Now I can't put it back now with that. You know what should I do with this? Actually, no. I have a better way. That's a better place.